and walk off, and he says, I think you Indians, you need to start praying less and playing a little more. It will help you win a few more games.
Okay, that's a good thing. Now, can I just say now one thing though? I think to some extent, everything that you people have said so far is almost, and I want to figure out how this affects fitness. Does it intimidate people? Because sometimes when you hear about fitness, you're told, when you hear your stories, 1.5 hours, you know, Kailash Mansarovar in 50 days, you know, all this sort of stuff. People say, that's what I've got to do to be fit. So should people also just start off, and I'm going to take a break now and come back and have another discussion on that. Are there smaller goals that people can and should set themselves? Because it shouldn't be either I'm going to do 1.5 hours or I'm going to run the marathon, or on the other extreme, I will do nothing. I will just sit on my desk and eat samosas and drink tea all through the day. There is things in between, and maybe the first step counts. So actually, why don't I start off with that? Everyone in NDTV, here's something simple and small for you to start with. Please don't take that lift. There's 7 floors up and down. Walk up and down, no lift. In fact, you're going to think about getting a lift off. Just walk up and down your set. You know, even when I'm saying this, I'm getting people shouting in my ear saying no. So, you know, there you are. It's 6 floors. That lift is going off Monday morning. Guess what? Don't take the lift. How's that for an idea? Small beginning somewhere. Mr. Fadnavis?
Yeah, I think it's good. I have 5 floors.
5 floors? Okay, how about that? Great idea. But just to ask you, I mean, do you think when you are talking to other people and saying how you're so fit, do you think just make a start? Don't do 1.5 hours. Do 10 minutes. You know, 15 minutes. Do 20 minutes. And now the new science is saying that even 20 minutes will make a substantial difference.
You know, there is a silly fad now that people also think that being fit is going to the gym and having an aesthetic body. You know, where visually you look good. You know, your muscles are popping and stuff like that. But I don't think that's what really keeps you fit. I think what really keeps you fit is your diet, is you know, constantly moving around, not being lazy. Things like this. I think it's also a misconception that if I have big muscles, I'm a fit person. You could be the most unfit person. I don't think you can do what Mr. Godrej does. You know, do the only 46-kilometer walk. So I think that kind of knowledge also has to be provided. You know, is that gym is not fitness. Gym is just part of fitness.
All right, so let's take a break at this point, and after that, some very special friends are going to join us to talk a bit more about this. I see Diane there. Dia sitting next to her, Raju Hirani is going to be with us as well, and Vijender Singh coming on. All of them are going to be joining us just after this break. So we'll be right back after that. Thank you all so much for having me.